Many people think divination is about predicting the future. It is not. Rune divination is about becoming aware of options before they harden into consequences. When you cast the runes, you are not asking, what will happen to me? You are asking, what is moving right now? And where do I stand within it? That is divination. In the northern tradition, the web of weird is not spun in the distant past. It is spun in the now. By the Norns, in the present moment, not in the past. It's not fated the future already. It is being influencing the future. Every thought you hold, every focus you sustain, every action you take tugs at a thread in the web. The web is alive, it shifts, it responds. When a rune appears in divination, it does not decree your fate. It reveals a current, a flow already moving through your life. A possibility asking, will you recognize me? Will you feed me? Will you walk with me? Divination becomes powerful not when you wait for answers, but when awareness meets intention. As we approach a new year, this is how rune divination should be used. Not to ask, will this year be a good year or a bad year? But rather to ask, what options are already forming in my life? Where should I put my attention? Which threads strengthen when I given them attention? Where must I act and not wait? Those are the questions rune divination should answer. And that should give you a new year resolution to really work on. The runes help you to plan, but more importantly, they help you to prepare, to raise your awareness of what is important. In the Armanen understanding, the runes does not stand outside of you. You enter the rune. You become the rune. That is the secret of our rune practice. And when awareness, focus and action align, reality responds. Not magically, not even instantly, but according to law. Where you put your attention, there your action will flow. The runes do not decide for you, they do not determine your future. They sharpen your sight with the living web of weird. And sight, when it's clear, disciplined awareness, it is the true power of divination. Walk into the year awake, deliberate, and worthy of the threads you choose to touch.
Where'd all the time go? It's starting